Hi, what have we got today? What are we going to do today?
2 rainbow coins.
Oh, this is a different horn. What is the colour of the horn on this one, Aurora?
Blue and silver.
So that means something, doesn't it, in the Rainbocorns series, doesn't it? What do the horns mean? Can you explain what do the horns mean? The different coloured horns. It indicates the type of Rainbocorn, doesn't it? The rainbow type of animal. So what do you think, what have we worked out so far that comes in the silver and the blue ones?
Owlcorn.
Owlcorns. And what ones have we got already? We've got flamingocorns, which have a peach and an orange horn. And what did the llama corn come in?
I don't know. I forgot.
Forgotten what was the llama one?
Yeah.
Wasn't it purple, pink or something?
I don't know. Maybe that was the unicorn one, purple and pink.
We haven't got a unicorn one yet, have we?
We haven't got a unicorn one.
Oh.
We just got the old series one.
Okay, quick. Well, let's open up this one.
Let me out here. Let me out here. Let me out
You've got to be careful because this year, as you can see on the packet, they have got a special edition golden flamingocorn. And they've done, the way they've done that is they've put it in under any of the horn colours. So I've been to the shop and I've seen it under 3 different horns already. But you can sort of tell what the golden flamingo calls because it's got a gold heart, and then if you look at it in the light you can see like a soda can in the
which is
picture. So that's
spilling.
The one that we got the one that was in the yellow with the yellow and red horn, which is actually the horns for the lions, but we got it a golden flamingocorn when we opened it. Yeah. So surprised it was our first one, wasn't it?
Yeah, we can't get another peach and orange horn, so
no, we've got all the
because we got a golden heart and that was the golden flamingo.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy that I got him first.
Okay, well let's open up this one, shall we? And let's see.
Yeah, because she wants to get out.
Let's reveal who we've got. What's our clue?
I haven't opened it yet. I love
show us the
glasses.
Oh, I love glasses. Oh, well, that's like reading, do you think? So we know it's now.
Yes, I think it's Hoot because she's holding a book.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, see?
Oh, you think we've got the purple one?
Yeah, because Hoot has a book on her bracelet, I think so.
Let me help you there.
The horn.
Show everybody what it is that you got. What is on the piece, on the heart? What is it? What is it?
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes. So wanted this one.
Then you should have wanted an Owlcorn.
Is it an Owlcorn? It is an Owlcorn. Oh, wow. Oh. It is.
Hoot.
It has Hoot, and she's got a rainbow on her tummy.
Like the other one.
Like the other one.
Oh, and she has wings for her hands.
And she's got rainbow wings. Just turn around.
She has wings.
Wow. amazing. You sure it's Hoot? We should look at the checklist, guys. What else did we get in our egg? Because this year in Series 2, they've added extra things. Not just the boo-boo corns, haven't they? They've added some rainbow poop.
Which is disgusting.
Which is like a chewing gum type consistency. So please be careful with your hair. And they've got, oh, this is the boo-boo corn. What do you think we've got in the boo-boo corn? Oh, wow. Show us, everybody. Show everybody. What is it? Oh, wow. Is it an owl?
Wait. What does the boo-boo owls look like? Hang on. Boo-boo owls are here. And we got this one. If you look closely, we got this one.
Oh, do they have names?
No, the boo-boo corns don't have names.
Oh,
so you have to
just forget colours.
So they just have. You just have to imagine which name.
I can smell the
grapes. That
coconut.
smells like grapes.
Oh, coconutty. Oh, whoa, she's a bit strong. Coconutty smell, isn't she?
What is this?
Got an accessory. Show us accessory. What was the accessory that you got? Show us. Show up here. Show up here. Oh, it's our. Oh, can we see that? We can't really see that very well. There it is. That's our rainbow corn. Hoot. Is it Hoot? Can we confirm it's Hoot?
Yeah, it's Hoot.
Where's the checklist guide? Oh, here's our checklist, and we'll just see who we got. Okay, so it's an Owlcorn. We've established it's an Owlcorn, and it's the purple Owlcorn.
And what is its name? What is its name?
It won't come up on the camera.
Its name is Hooty, but I call it Hoot. Sorry, Hooty.
My phone's not adjusting.
Okay, Hooty.
It is Hoot. I can tell you now.
Come on, you friends.
It's Hooty, as she said. But my phone's not adjusting for some reason. I'm not sure why. But yes.